Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can fix voice mod not working. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy to fix. First up, you need to open up Voicemod, and here as you can see, you just need to make sure that your microphone, these options are turned on, and after that you just need to go to settings. And just make sure that your microphone input is the microphone that you're using and your headphones are the actual headphones that you're using for sound. So just make sure you have these settings, and once you've made sure that your settings are exactly like this, you need to go to your Windows settings and you need to go to manage sound devices. It's in sound, so you need to put in your output device as voice mode, and obviously you'll see a voice mod microphone option, so make sure that your input device is set as voice mod's microphone. So once this set it up, you're good to go. Your problem will be fixed. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.